Hi, this is Christina Williams from Just Criminal Law. It's all we do. If you get charged with a DUI, it's going to be tempting to think about representing yourself and doing everything on your own. But if you've got a couple minutes to watch this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons to think twice before doing it. As most of you know, I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I know a lot about the law, but not that much about, say, changing the oil in my vehicle. Could I do it if I had to? I guess. Probably. But why would I? It would cause me a lot of stress and anxiety and a lot of time. I know I might forget something or do something wrong, and then it could cost a lot of money to try to fix it. So, if I'm being honest with myself, I will never change the oil in my vehicle. Just like I wouldn't recommend you represent yourself in court on a DUI. Here's the top 5 things I know my office can help you with if you have a DUI. Number 1, pleading not guilty. The first step in defending against a DUI is to plead not guilty. When you were arrested, you received a ticket and a court date. If you hire us before the court date, we'll send over a written not guilty plea and you'll never have to go to court by yourself. Number 2, request the evidence. You're going to need information that the prosecutor plans to use against you. Things like the police report, the video, the breath test, how you did on your field sobriety tests. But in order to get all this information, you need to file a formal request with a court. We'll do this for you. Number 3, keep your driver's license valid. You should hire us within 20 days of your arrest because that way we won't miss the deadline to get a driver's license hearing. And you will never lose your license as long as we can do that. Number 4, challenge the state's evidence. Depending on the circumstances of your case, we might be able to challenge the reason the officer pulled you over, why he had you do field sobriety tests, how your blood or breath sample was collected, and whether that's even accurate. We may be able to file a motion to suppress, asking the judge to exclude certain pieces of evidence. And in fact, in the past few months, we've gotten at least a half a dozen DUIs pled down or dismissed, all because of this. Number 5, negotiate a plea deal or go to trial. While we're waiting to find out what evidence will be allowed to be used against you, we can continue to negotiate for a reduction in charges or a better sentence. We'll offer you our advice on what we think you should do, but whether you accept a plea offer or not is always up to you. And if the plea deal isn't something you like, we can take your case to trial and question the state's witnesses and the evidence. We can also present our own witnesses and our own evidence. So, as you can see, defending yourself against a DUI is actually more difficult than you might think. Remember, the police, the prosecutors, and the judge are not on your side. It's your job to protect yourself and your rights by hiring a DUI attorney. So just plead not guilty and ask to talk to a lawyer. You can contact us here at Just Criminal Law by clicking the link in the description. You can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. You only get one shot at justice, so make yours count. If you found this video helpful, there are many more on our website at justcriminallaw.com.